I've also got some Race Torx little adapters here. So it's a good company, got myself some touch up. That's for a ZX10. This will help with, given that this is a ride-by-wire throttle, and that's pretty normal, pretty typical of a KTM, I'm told. I mean, everything's snappy and wonderful, but in there, if you put these spacers in, it removes that. I'm also going to look at heated grips as an option if I get time. To be fair, I don't know what they are. They're like little pieces of iron, or they look like little, are they plastic? They're perspex. Little pieces of perspex. Excuse my fingers, I've been working on the bike. Huh, so that's all they are. Just shivers of perspex. And what they're going to do is they're going to go over here. That's the theory. We hope not breaking anything. Can we focus? Can we focus? I don't think it matters how I fit them. I don't like it. That's absolute shit. No matter which way round I put them, I don't like it. Let's try and pull this one up. I'm not having it rub against this. This is covered in carbon. It's like a carbon powder, which is what's getting all over my hands. And if it goes on this side, it looks equally as bad. It doesn't even seem to fit very well. I wonder if they are actually designed to fit in these spaces here. But then how do you fit it? Let's see if it go over the top. No. Oh god, it hates that. Nearly broke it then. It's obvious to me how they fit. That is how they're supposed to fit. But then how would you insert it? I'm going to have to put these over those pins. Right, I'll give it a go. Okay, there's one. Now I've got to swizz this around and do the same to the other side. Gosh, this is going to be a faff because I have to push this down, and that is a toughie to push down. And I've got to install this. Wow. I'm talking about the other one over there. I mean, wow, that is some serious pressure. Under pressure. Crikey. I am pushing hard. Not a good fit. Probably because I'm pushing. I'm going to lift it up a bit. Squeeze that little monkey in there. And release. Oh, there's a lot of pressure. Oh, I'm branded. Well, I got to fix my grip because I was going to turn this into heated grips. Yes, I was. But at the moment, I'm just not in the mood. I just want to ride. I am in the mood. I want heated grips. It's probably something I'm going to end up taking this all apart tomorrow. Oh, I wish I hadn't undone that. To flip this over. Oh, bloody hell. You stay. It's a toughie, isn't it? I wonder if people watch these videos just to watch me suffer because of my... Well, I'd rather show you how things are, the reality of my world and mechanics, than some of these so pristine and beautiful videos, which are easy to digest. I get you. I've watched them. I know. But they just seem a bit so perfect. I bought this motorbike. It hasn't been run in 20 years. Its first start, and it just starts beautifully, and you're just like, wow. So no carburation issues or anything. Right, see if these will slot into place, and see how the throttle feels. Okay. Why is this not going together beautifully? Come on, KTM, work with me here. Work with me. You gotta give it a wiggle. You should just pop together, but nothing I have to do there. Look at that. That's really good. Well, look at that in the respect of there's no... Oop, there it goes. Oop. Where are the screws? Where are the screws? Little pieces of perspex. How long are they going to last? Alright, so they're just nipped up. Ugh. The problem I was having was how much slack there was in the throttle, and now it feels really good. Apart from that movement, feels pretty good. And they gave me these little spare ones, so it's like, oh, okay, you know, I'm going to break them. This is the Keis chicane heated grips, and they are lush. They are soft touch. They feel fantastic, and there's no external controller. Everything's done within the grips, and you literally have this one button here, and you just tap that button, you get some illumination, you get two really hot grips. There's your throttle. Oh, you got a button on that side. There's your throttle, there's your not throttle. Fantastic. But as you can see here, it's got this gear collar where you've got to put a gear on it. Well, I'm sorry, but my KTM doesn't accept any of that. My XSR 900 doesn't accept any of that either. So I can't actually fit this to my motorcycle. Great. Oxford, they're the ones that you all know and love. They're all okay. They're all right. Not soft grip like the Keis ones. These feel absolutely lush. They're all squishy and they're just going to feel good on a long run. Whereas the Oxfords, this is the touring ones, premium. They're kind of rigid. So I like the soft feel. Can't have it. And I hate this. This integrated controller, smart controller, which is all great and everything. But this bracket rusts for a pastime. And then you got this thing here. You're supposed to put it like yeah, have a little doobry there, and then it's going to be like here. Like, that's no good. I'm using my bike, you know. I'm riding along. I'm just going to go faff about with it. Could stick it on there, I suppose. It's an option. Man, I've seen bikers sticking them there and here and all sorts of weird places, but it's like, I'd rather it be stealth, like built into the grip, be really nice, or something like that. But maybe I'm not allowed these things. I'll and ah about this for a little bit, but I got to get a move on because winter is coming. It's like literally here. I got to wash my hands, and I need those heated grips to do the miles, and I'm going to be doing some miles in a few days, so I've really only got the choice of this Oxford thing, which just isn't what I was wanting. No, it kills me because this Keis system is like so minimalist. It's me, if you believe that. It's just so minimalist, and it just blends in and nobody has to know. What do I do with a little bag for all of these? So I've got to find a motorcycle in my fleet for this to go on. But my XSR 900 is fly-by-wire, so I can't use it on that. I can't use it on my KTM because that's fly-by-wire. I don't really like these little geary things anyway. They're all just kind of, feels like it's made of cheese. And the wiring is just so slim and, what a shame. So at least I've got a few left. I'll just go pin them up somewhere. Maybe if I get another KTM in, I can always fit them. And in the meantime, I will think about these. I'm not against Oxford. My other bikes have got Oxford. Here's my Yamaha XT. It's got its Oxford doobry on it, and that's all very good. And then here's another bike with the Oxford on it. It's all very good. I'm just thinking the controller's going to have to go here on the right-hand side. I'd prefer it to be... Don't really like... I mean, you can see the wear on the... This bike's got a few miles on it, so it's to be expected. I really wanted those Keis one with the built-in. Kind of cool, really. Hey, I'm allowed to moan. It's my bike.